How to add data hooks in Wix Studio. So if you want to add data hooks, make sure to click onto this curly braces icon right here, which is our code icon. From in there, just click onto this backend and public, and you can see in here this. So what you can do is you can just head over and then click onto this plus icon. And in here we have in here this option for data hooks. So head over and click on that. Once you have done that, it should be able to input right here this data. So you can head over and then code this using your Wix IDE, or you can also just code this onto this particular site. So for this one, you can actually use the support article from DataHook themselves in order to know how to use it and how to actually make use of it and utilize it. So using this way, you can just head over with some data hooks, but you also need to make sure that you're knowledgeable in coding in order to do this. So that's how you add data hooks in Wix Studio. Hope we help.